Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target, and it seems to be an easy one. I'll make it using divs once again today, so let me first clear this. So A, and then comes B. I'll remove the closing tag of B. So now I'll give the common properties, which is only the position fixed actually. So comma B. So position, alright, position fixed. Also I'll give the star property. So it will have the background, which is this one. Let's paste it. Now first I'll create this circle and its white colored border, which I'll use bdiv for. So width, I think it's around 40 pixels. I'm just taking a rough value for now. And border, let's give border first. Okay, so 10 pixels, solid, and this color, let's paste. And also border radius 50%. Circle seems to be quite small than it should be. 30, 40. This has to be 50 and 50. Now let's switch on the difference and place it there. So top would be, I think, 100, 50. Okay, I spoke 50 but I wrote 60, my bad. 70, quite much there. So let's now give the left value 100 and maybe 120, 125, and a little difference maybe 75. Yes, as you can see, we have got a perfect value for the circle. Now it's turn for the A div. So A. Now I'll create a rectangle and then I'll use the clip path polygon to get the proper shape. So I'll give it a value of 300 and a height of 100. And it will have a background color of white. So top will be 100, correct, and left value will be, I think, 50. It's going to be 45, and we have to increase the width, so maybe 310. Yeah, so now we can use the clip path. Polygon. So we'll first begin with these corners because we know the value is going to be 0 and 25 because it's quite much divided into 4 parts. So 0 and 25%. Next is going to be 0 and 75%. Next 100% and 75%. And the last one is 100% and 25%. Okay, so we have the rough shape. Now we only need to find the value of these corners, like the coordinates under percentage. So I'll give a rough guess of 10. We'll give the first one here after 0.75. So 10% and 70, not 75%, I'll give 100%. So that I can see it right here. So no, this isn't the answer. Let's go to 11, 12, 13. Yeah, 13 looks quite correct, so we'll go with 13. So we can also use the value here. And yes, it is exactly what we wanted as the value. So I'll also give the value here. So 13%, 0, comma, and the next value is 13% and 25%. Now on the other side, as we know, 100 minus 13, which will give us 87. So it's not much of an issue. So 87% and 0, no, 100%. Now the next value will be 87% and 75%. And 2 more coordinates to go. So those will be up there. And the first one will be 87% and 25%. And the next one is 87% and 0. So as you can see, we got the exact answer. Let's submit it. And it's a perfect match. Let's now try to use margin. So margin, we need to make a slight differences. So 65 and 115, 14, 13, 12, no, 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. The 17 looks quite correct, so 6, 7. Yeah, it has decreased the character count, so let's see. Okay, it did increase the score. Now I'll also try to do the same here. Margin, so it will be more than 100, no, less than 100, 90, 85, no, it's going to be more than that, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 35, 34, no, 36, 37, 91, 92. Let's submit it now. And yes, it's again a 100% match. Now we can simply remove all the unnecessary space. So it may take a little bit time, but it would increase the score, so why not? and here it is. So 290 characters is all it took to create this, and the score will be around 625.22. Not bad. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you next one. Till then, bye.